Hello student, today I'm going to talk about simplification of surds. But before going into details, what are surds? Surds are set of irrational numbers. That is, numbers that cannot be expressed as exact ratio or fraction. Note, root 4 is the same as 2. And 2 can be written as 2 to 1 or 2 all over 1. Because root 4, which is 2, can be expressed as an exact ratio or exact fraction, root 4 is not a surd. Let's look at root 2. Root 2 cannot be expressed as ratio A to B or A divided by B. Hence, root 2 is a surd. More examples of surds are we have root 3, root 5, root 7, and so on. They are irrational numbers because they cannot be expressed as an exact ratio or fraction. Now, the main purpose is to learn how to simplify surd. Now, to simplify surd, we make use of perfect squares. Perfect squares are numbers with integer square roots. Examples of perfect squares are we have 1, 4, 9, 25, 16, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, and so on. If we need to simplify a surd, these are the numbers we are going to use because they are perfect squares. Now let's look at some examples. Assuming we are to simplify, let's say simplify 1 root 20, 2 root 32, 3 root 48, 4 root 150. How do we do this? Starting with the first one, I will break it down using a perfect square. The perfect square that is a factor of 20 is 4. So this is root 4 multiplied by root 5. Then root 4 is 2. Root 5 cannot be broken down. So root 20 has been simplified to become 2 root 5. Root 32 can be broken down using root 16 and root 2. We are choosing root 16 because it's a perfect square that is a factor of 32. So this is 4 root 2. 48, 16 can also go as a perfect square to be root 16 multiplied by root 3, and this is 4 root 3. 150, we use root 25 multiplied by root 6, and this is 5 root 6. You can see that the use of perfect square will enable us to simplify a surd. So to exercise and practice on this activity, you can try the following. Simplify root 75, root 54, and root 147. To get this done, make use of the perfect squares. Thanks for listening.